Mandy Teefey, mom to Selena Gomez, wants everyone to know that she advised her daughter against working on the upcoming Woody Allen film A Rainy Day in New York. She wrote on Instagram, "No one can make Selena do anything she doesn't want to. I had a long talk with her about not working with him, and it didn't click. She makes all her own decisions, no matter how hard you try to advise. It falls on deaf ears." After sexual allegations surfaced from the director's stepdaughter, Dylan Farrow, Timothée Chalamet, and Rebecca Hall, who star in the film, announced that they're donating their salaries, and some fans are urging Selena to follow in their footsteps. When people began commenting on Teefey's Instagram photo of her daughter about the controversy, she responded with her opinion. The 25-year-old singer hasn't responded on any of the allegations against Woody Allen.